Welcome to What is Chalk Couture Part 1. Right now I'm going to show you how some of the tools that we have work and what you can do with them. So our transfers are these little silk screens that we use to create the images on our boards. I'm going to show you one up close. Now this is our smallest size, 5 by 7. A transfer is a sticky-sided silk screen, so sticky on one side so it sticks to your flat surface. It has a little mini screen in it so you can see where the negative space is. There is a screen, and you take your transfer in order to create an image. Take a flat surface like this chalkboard and you stick your transfer down. Now you'll be able to use chalk paste and squeegee across here to leave an image. We'll do that part in part 2. Once you're done squeegeeing your chalk paste on, you can make a finished product like this. So this has used 3 different transfers to do the patterns, to do the words, onto a wooden house cutout. Okay, watch part 2 and see how I chalk this.